Sometimes lead pipe was bent into angles that can't be duplicated with PVC pipe fittings. I used a heat gun to custom bend a piece of PVC pipe. This does not meet code. However, the alternative was to rip up a kitchen and a bathroom to install PVC pipe. My bathroom sink lead drain pipe developed a leak, and my brick and mortar house was practically built around the lead pipe. After I finally wrangled the lead pipe out of the wall and from the hole in the joist, I found that the cause for the leak was that 65 years ago, when the house was built, the carpenters accidentally drove a couple nails into the top of the lead drain pipe, and as luck would have it, it started to leak on my watch. After cutting away some materials from the floor and joist, I was able to replace the lead pipe with 1¼ inch PVC pipe. Modern day plumbing would use 1½ inch pipe. However, there was no way that that size pipe would fit into the space that I had. I'll demonstrate on a piece of 1/2 inch PVC Schedule 40 pipe. It won't take as long to heat up. The proper technique is more important than the size of the pipe that you're using. I've set my heat gun to the highest setting. Heavy leather gloves are recommended. There are several methods to bend PVC pipe. Boiling water or heated sand can be poured into the pipe. Filling the inside of the pipe with material will prevent it from collapsing at the bend. The trouble with these two methods for my application was that I'd have a hard time controlling where those hot materials went, and I didn't want to risk changing the shape of the pipe where I wanted to attach my fittings because it could possibly cause a leak. It's important to evenly heat the section of the pipe that is to be bent. Constantly turn the pipe while sweeping the heat gun back and forth. The heated section of the pipe will expand. It will start to look shiny. It will smell slightly like hot plastic. When you get the odor and see the shiny pipe, the pipe will start to get flexible. Give it a few test flexes, and when it's pliable, then it's time to remove the heat from the pipe and bend it. If the pipe starts to get a burnt color, then it's time to remove the heat. It took about 2 minutes to heat the 1/2 inch pipe to make it pliable. It took about 5 or 6 minutes to heat up the 1¼ inch pipe. The electrical trade makes bends in their conduit, and they use bend boxes and bend guides to get the correct angles. I cut the piece of pipe that I wanted to bend a little longer and then trimmed it to the correct size after it was bent. To duplicate the correct bend, trace out the lead pipe onto a piece of cardboard. Then lay the flexible pipe on top of the template and bend it to the correct angle. I took a couple of pieces of old broomstick and put it in the ends of the pipe to keep it straight where I didn't want the bend. Then hold the pipe on top of the template until it cools in position. After the pipe is cooled, check to ensure that the ends aren't deformed. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.